Hey guys, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? I know you guys are excited and you're ready to close. They are making some good progress. We have got a lot going on in the house right now. We've got a lot staged. Let me spin you around and I'll start talking you through some of this stuff. For those of you who don't know, this is going to be a gorgeous Britton home in Mustang Lakes. It is in Celina, Texas, but it's right on the Prosper border. These homes are in Prosper ISD, just in case you guys in YouTube land were wanting to know. So this is the white cement for the mortar. There are some bricks staged. We've also got a great deal of our structural wood, particle board, all kinds of trim wood, baseboards, everything you can imagine staged in here. Hopefully, we haven't had any rain for a while, so hopefully sufficiently out of the rain. That stuff is pretty immune to moisture. I do not want to peel back the paper, but I was talking to Mr. Buyer the other day about the floors, and they really look good. These are so pretty. The staircase is in. Let's get you a quick view of that. Look how pretty the curvature is on that staircase. That's going to be really dramatic. And I don't know if you can tell in YouTube land, but these are extremely high ceilings. And then that one up in there is actually vaulted. So it's really coming along. There's a lot of neat little architectural features that Britton puts in their homes that make them look really pretty. As you can tell, the same flooring is flowing in here. They've got their cabinetry in, by the way. They're getting that finished up. It's not painted yet, as you can see. Guys, one of the tricks when you're building a home is the more of the same flooring you put down, whether or not you're doing wood or wood grain tile, it doesn't really matter. The key is you want to have that flooring flow throughout the first floor of the home, and you want to make sure that in doing that, you know, the grain's set the right way and all that. The flooring guys know how to do it to make it look good. They do it all day, every day. But what you get is when you have consistent flooring, like in here, running through here, running all out and through here, it makes the home feel just huge in comparison to having, you know, maybe carpet in the family room and wood in the office or whatever, you know, where it's chopped up. Boy, that's a dramatic room. You really can't get a feel for it, but the video just doesn't do it justice. Here's the family room, and it's got a lot of height to it. Coming around to the kitchen, they've got the cabinetry going in. There was a little confusion on which side the fridge was supposed to go in and whatnot. Britton was willing to work with them to solve it, but they were like, doesn't matter to us, one way or the other. These are really pretty on this bay. And then the other big thing, you guys know I'm a big fan of covered patios, right? Covered porches, as we call them. You're gonna use that a lot, and a lot of my clients will actually have a modest covered patio and then actually extend with some cedar and build an even larger patio so they could have a sitting area and a dining room or dining area out there. Texas gets so hot in the day that you usually want to be in a swimming pool, but in the mornings, especially in the mornings, it's actually very comfortable outside, and that's, you know, the time to eat outside. In the evenings, it's still warm, but once the sun goes down and you get a breeze, it's really nice. So the tile turned out really pretty, and it's pretty expansive. A lot of it in that shower. That's gonna be, I can't wait to see it done. It's really hard to look at it right now because it just looks like a recessed area. And we're back. All right, let's go upstairs real quick. They've even got the little protectors down, which is neat. All right, Got the media room, the built-ins, got the returns and the outlets, all the equipment boxes and locations and plugs and doodads for your speakers and all that stuff. I know a lot of really high-end equipment is still wired. I'm not really sure how good the new wireless surround sound stuff is. We've got a sound bar and it works great, but I've heard rumors sometimes it can get out of sync. So I don't know if you have a massive amount of speakers how well that works. So if anybody knows, leave me a comment in the description. See, this room right here, to me, I think this is going to be really cool when it's decorated. It kind of sits out over the house, and with these two sets of windows in the corner, there's a lot of light in here. This is going to be a really cool room. Can't wait to see that one decorated up. Got another full bath, got a closet off of that. And in the bedroom. And again, you can see out the front. And remember guys, it's really messy right now. The builder always comes in, has multiple deep cleans, but you know, this is an active construction site. So you see a lot of this junk. They come in and scrape all that up and get it cleaned before they start flooring, of course. I just didn't want you guys to think they leave it in this rough shape. All right. That's going to be a wonderful secondary Christmas tree location. Yep, that'll be cool. Okay guys, normally at this stage, we would have already had all the trim molding in. The baseboards and all that would have already been done. The brick would have already been up. You would have seen a lot more progress in this. It's just all the subcontractors are so busy that they are swamped. I've heard rumors we're building anywhere from 6 times to 10 times as many homes as we normally do. And I wouldn't actually say that's too far from being wrong. Most of my builders and most of my subs are booked up weeks and weeks and weeks out. So be patient with us. We'll eventually get it there. Once the brick's on and the painting of the cabinetry starts, I think you're going to really see how it's supposed to look. You're going to start getting a really good feel for it. All right, guys, stay safe. I hope God keeps and blesses you, causes his face to shine upon you. Until we meet again. All right, be good.